Hey guys, time to check on that driveway gravel. It's Tim, and today we're moving from stage 2 to stage 3 of tumbling the gravel from our driveway. Let's go see what we've got. All right, let's take a look and see what we got. Ooh, that looks like a frothy slurry too. Now this has got some bowling material in it, so there's going to be some other colors in this one. Oh, it's got a little quartz in there too. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. So these are driveway rocks, right? And look at that. That is just beautiful. Oh, there's a mosquito on my hand too. Let's get a look at a few of these. The patterning is just gorgeous. They're coming along nicely. Oh, I love that. Look at this one. That one would wrap nicely. Look how pretty that is. Oh, look at that. Man, it's like a, I don't know, got a whole geographic thing going in there. Those are very nice little charts. So cool. That is just amazing. Now these are the driveway rocks right here. Let's get a couple more of those. Now that one's a little more subtle than the others have been, but look at this one. This one's got some beautiful banding in it. Oh, not banding, some beautiful patterns in that. That is just gorgeous. Okay, that's one of the jaspers. And that's one of the jaspers. Those are Sasakwa rocks. Those are not the driveway ones. Okay. This is the driveway rock right here. Look at that one. How cool is that? Man. All right, let's get these rinsed off, reloaded for the next round. Get some polish on these guys. Yep. Same rocks. We've got our driveway rocks here, plus a few extras. Well, I like that one right there. Look at that banded chert. That are from the Seminole County area. These are stage 2s going into stage 3, and I mistakenly said that these were going into polish. They're not quite going into polish yet. They're about there. We're gonna have 1 heaping spoon of stage 3 grit. So this is about 500 grit, silicon carbide. And we need a little borax there. Tablespoon of borax. There we go. And to top that off, to the top of the rocks with some water. We've got about a 3/4 full barrel right there. That's going to work great. That's awesome. All right. Get the top on there. Set that down. Step on the top a little bit. Got a good seal there. Awesome. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. I genuinely appreciate the time you spent with us today, checking on our driveway gravel from stage 2 to stage 3. Man, those things are smoothing up nice. They got some beautiful patterns in some of those gray cherts. I'm just loving them. I'm loving the way they're working. Hopefully I earned your subscription. If I did, hit that subscribe button and follow along for the next one. We'll see what the Earth's got to show us tomorrow. Be well. Here we go. We're rolling.